In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voting button option to Outlook emails. This is a simple way to collect quick decisions from your recipients, perfect for approvals, yes or no choices, or lightweight polls without needing a separate survey tool. We'll be working in Classic Outlook, the desktop version of Outlook for Windows. Start by opening Classic Outlook, then create a new message or open a reply. You'll add the voting options directly within this message window, so keep it open while we make a few adjustments. Next, look along the top of the message window and switch to the Options tab on the ribbon. In the Options tab, find the Tracking group. That's where Outlook keeps features related to follow-up and response tracking. Click Use Voting Buttons to see your available choices. You'll notice some built-in options you can use immediately. Yes, no is great for quick confirmations. Approve, reject is ideal for decisions that need a clear go or no-go. Yes, no maybe gives people room to respond even if they're not fully sure yet. Pick the one that best matches what you're asking. Keeping the choices simple and unambiguous will help people respond faster and more accurately. If you need something tailored to your situation, choose Custom. In the Custom settings, type your own voting choices in the field provided, separating each option with a semicolon. For example, Option A, Option B, Option C, semicolons are important here because they tell Outlook where one choice ends and the next begins. Keep your option labels short and clear, avoid special characters that might confuse readers, and stick to a small set of choices so the decision stays easy. When you're done, click Close to apply the custom buttons to your message. Now finish composing your email. Add a clear subject line, write a brief message that explains what you're asking people to vote on, and include any relevant details or deadlines so recipients understand the context. Address the email to your intended recipients, and when everything looks good, click Send. When recipients open your message in Outlook, they'll see the voting options and can respond with a single click. Outlook will record those replies automatically on your end, keeping everything tied to the original message so it's easy to reference later. This keeps decision-making efficient and avoids long email threads. That's all you need to add voting buttons to your Outlook emails quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching.